connectivity, Bluetooth is 4.2 micro USB port, and frequency is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and Bluetooth range is 10 amp, battery is 3.7 V and 1200 mAh, and also a FM radio. So this is Havit M3 portable alarm clock Bluetooth speaker. You can see in my screen, this Bluetooth speaker design is totally gorgeous and outlook is so fine. I really love its look. You can also use it for your alarm. So I hope you can understand, my dear audience, why this speaker I suggest for you, because you can use this speaker in two ways. Okay, so this speaker price is also very reasonable, only 1200 taka, my dear audience. So there are also some specification: Bluetooth speaker, frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz, dimensions 145 into 68.5 mm, weight 315 gram, color black, connection type Bluetooth, and battery capacity 3.7 V into 1200 mAh, and battery type is 3 watt. Warranty is very important, my dear audience, because if any brand can't provide you a good warranty, it will be very risky, because you don't know when that device will be get damaged. So if you have a warranty, then you will be easily used that device or gadget without any hesitation. So with this Bluetooth speaker, you will get 1 year warranty. Okay, so guys, why you are waiting? Do an order at online this speaker. This is Havit M3 portable alarm clock. Okay, and there are also some writing about this speaker. This is M3 portable alarm clock speakers. The latest price of Havit M3 portable alarm clock Bluetooth speaker is 1200 taka. You can purchase this portable speaker in best price from their website. So guys, this speaker is totally good, and that's the reason I will suggest you this Havit M3 portable alarm clock Bluetooth speaker. I hope you can understand, and if you have any other choice, then you can also inform me. I will try to show you that speaker on my next video. And if you are first on our tech channel, please kindly subscribe. So guys, now I'm gonna finish this video. Thank you so much. Stay connected, and please guys support us, and please do subscribe our channel. And if you have a average budget, then you can purchase this Havit M3 portable alarm Bluetooth speaker, because this Bluetooth speaker will help you to given you a alarm. So I hope this will be helpful, and that's the reason. And you know that Havit is a very renowned and popular brand also. So guys, you can purchase this speaker without any hesitation. Thank you so much guys. Goodbye.